Being a millionaire is not just about having a lot of money. It's about having financial freedom and the ability to live life on your own terms. While becoming a millionaire may seem like a crazy goal, it's not impossible to achieve. In fact, there are certain traits and habits that many successful millionaires have in common. Incorporating these 9 habits that self-made millionaires tend to have into your own financial journey can help increase your chances of success. Sign 9. You have a clear financial goal. One of the first signs that you will become a millionaire is that you have a clear financial goal in mind. Millionaires know exactly what they want to achieve financially, and they have a plan in place to make it happen. This includes setting specific, measurable, and achievable financial goals and creating a plan to achieve them. Sign 8. You are a saver. Another sign that you will become a millionaire is that you are a saver. Millionaires understand the importance of saving money, and they make it a priority in their lives. This means setting aside a portion of their income each month and avoiding unnecessary expenses. Sign 7. You invest wisely. Millionaires understand the importance of investing their money wisely. They take the time to research different investment options, and they're not afraid to take calculated risks. They understand that investing their money can help it grow over time, and they are willing to put in the effort to make it happen. Sign 6. You have multiple streams of income. Millionaires understand that having multiple streams of income can help them achieve financial freedom. This means that they are not relying on one single source of income, but instead they have multiple sources of income that they can rely on. This could be through investments, a side business, or even a rental property. Sign 5. You are disciplined. Millionaires are disciplined in their spending and saving habits. They understand that discipline is key to achieving their financial goals, and they stick to their plan, even when things get tough. They also don't let emotions drive their financial decisions. They stick to the plan. Sign 4. You are a lifelong learner. Millionaires are always learning and growing. They understand that knowledge is power, and they are constantly seeking new information to help them make better financial decisions. They also understand the importance of self-improvement, and they are always working to become a better version of themselves. Sign 3. You are not afraid of hard work. Millionaires are not afraid of hard work. They understand that achieving financial success takes time, effort, and dedication. They are willing to put in the work to achieve their goals, and they understand that there is no such thing as overnight success. Sign 2. You are optimistic. Millionaires have a positive outlook on life. They understand that setbacks and challenges are a part of the journey to achieving financial success. They don't let setbacks discourage them, and instead they see them as opportunities to learn and grow. Sign 1. You surround yourself with successful people. Millionaires understand the power of surrounding themselves with successful people. They seek out mentors and surround themselves with individuals who have achieved the level of success they are striving for. They understand that they can learn a lot from others who have been successful, and they use this knowledge to help them achieve their own financial goals. Overall, becoming a millionaire is not an easy task, but it is possible. If you have a strong work ethic, a willingness to take risks, discipline, problem-solving skills, a desire to learn, an optimistic attitude, the ability to set and achieve goals, good networking skills, and you save and invest wisely, you have the traits and habits of a millionaire. Building wealth is not an overnight process.